it comes to the best products of a year, people often leave out gadgets, beauty gadgets and devices. So I thought there have been quite a few launches this year, and I've tried a few of those as well. Tools and gadgets, not just, electricals. I've tried tools as well. So here I'm going to talk about the best tools and gadgets of 2019. Subjective, just an opinion, let's not argue. Off we go. The first is this thing in here, the NuFace Fix. I've been using it from late October and I absolutely love it. Basically, you apply your serum and then you do this on your fine line-ish or fine line developing areas or on your actual fine lines. Now, magnetic closure, look at that. I also have the original NuFace device, the Mini. I like it, but you have to keep using it to notice results. And I have moon face syndrome, some moon face syndrome, as you can see here, from a lot of steroids. So I've been fighting steroids while doing that. So have I noticed any shaping, lifting, contouring, sculpting? No, because the roids are giving me moon face, steroids for allergic reactions. So I will keep using my NuFace because something's got to work against the roids, but I'm not seeing the results that I want. For that, I need to stop steroids. So I bought this instead, and this is a very targeted device that targets those line-ish developing areas. Now, I haven't been doing acne scar erosion for a while now because, as I said, allergic face, lots of reactions, lots of urticaria on most mornings. So, I didn't want to get lasered as well on top of all that. So this one has really been nice, targeted. Have I noticed any difference? I think so. First of all, it helps the product to absorb faster. I usually use this right after my serum, and it's it helps the serum absorb faster. And I feel that my skin is plumper right after using this. Will I have lasting results? Too early to tell. Like I said, I've only been using this since late October. I bought this in order to get the Cult Beauty GWP, so I haven't been using it for that long. I'll tell you how it goes in 2020, but as far as I know, it's quite good. The next product is closely related to that. It is Kat Berkey's micro-firming wand. I know, it's not what you think it is. Anyway, so this thing is for the under eye area alone. It is a way of applying your eye cream and getting it absorbed very quickly, getting it to sink in faster. So look at this. I don't know if you can hear that. When it comes in contact with the skin, you get that noise, that vibration there. And it doesn't happen if there's moisture on top. So you apply your eye cream on top of this and then do that. Once you start hearing that vibration or feeling that vibration and hearing that humming noise, that means that all the product is gone and it has absorbed. I like this because I really don't like touching my eye cream from the pot and touching my skin. I usually do serum and other things on my face as well. So I've got to wash my hands after that because eye cream not going to come over here and clog my pores and give me acne. So this one, nice for applying your eye creams direct to the under eye area. Very nice. Available on Space NK and Cult Beauty. Where to buy? I will link in the description box below. Very nice product. I don't know about fine lines and wrinkles. Don't have them yet. Touch wood. The next one, I'm going to show you the external box just for a lark. No, it's not what you think it is. Calm down. This is a very family-friendly channel, all right? This is actually from Althea, Korea. That's why I kept the external box, for that chalk element. This is, no, it's not that. This is a hair straightener, a portable pocket hair straightener. It needs only a USB charge to work. That means you can, plug it in your laptop or, in your power bank. I've used it with a power bank. Easy to nip into your handbag. Ideally, I shouldn't be heat treating my hair or heat straightening my hair, but sometimes you want that bit of oomph. You can't look like this all the time. I'm confident enough to look like this on video, but in real life, there are occasions when I want my hair to look sleeker. That's when this comes into work. Nip it into your handbag, cute packaging, and off we go. I tell you, the K-Beauty has so many innovations. Very, very nice. So the other good thing is it has a locking mechanism. Now, you can't open it more than this unless you unlock it, and then it springs open like that. And then you straighten your hair, that is, not the device, and accidentally get your skin caught in the middle, and then press it together and lock it, and it won't prise open after that. Also, this is a lovely way of traveling. You don't have to worry about, plug adapters suiting different countries and that sort of thing. All you need is a power bank or a laptop or whatever, and this takes up very little space. It's also air travel friendly. Believe me, I've tried. Very nice. So that is another 2019 launch that I really, really like. Next thing is something that I bought after seeing it on somebody's YouTube channel. I can't remember whose it was. This is actually a shaving kit. Spritz, and then you rotate this, and you get your shaver, and here you get another shaver, and here you get your shaving foam. So basically, you have your shaving cream or gel or whatever, and then you spritz on water, mix it up, foam it up, and there's your shaver, and that's it. And you close it, and it stays secure there in your suitcase. It's not going to tear up your clothes with the razor, exposed like that. Very, very travel friendly. Genius invention. I'm sick of carrying about razors in my suitcase or in my travel bag, and then when you dig for other products, your fingers get caught to the razor, even if there is a protector slip or sleeve for the razor. Even so, sometimes that falls off while traveling. This one, secure, it's not going to fall off, and even if it does, you open it and all you get is a spritz of water or a shaving gel sometimes. Not necessarily. You have to rotate this wheel to get the shaver. Very handy. Ideal for travel friendly people. The next thing, I only have the external box here because the product itself is in my bathroom and I accidentally forgot to bring it. It is the Wet Brushes Go Green Detangler, eco-friendly packaging. The brush itself is eco-friendly. It is entirely biodegradable. All you do is chuck it into your trash and it will biodegrade in landfill. So that is brilliant because I go through wet brushes a lot and I was feeling terribly guilty because wet brushes are entirely plastic. Now that I've discovered these, I'm only going to use, they are wet brush, only they're biodegradable. The wet brush, the same detangling effect, the same gentleness. I'm only ever going to buy these. Marvelous. Next product, I am in the middle of using. I would have reviewed earlier, but there wasn't time, couldn't fit it in my schedule with all the Advent calendar holiday posts. We'll be doing it after the holiday chaos is over. It is the Nira Skin Laser device. I've done a preview of this. Now, this is generally for fine lines, but the thing about fine lines and wrinkles and acne scarring, pitted acne scars, is that the major cause is the same, collagen loss. So I've been using it on its highest setting, right on my pitted acne scars. And as you will be seeing in my review, whenever I publish it, there is a slight difference. I don't know if this is to blame or if it is all the skincare that I'm using. I don't know. Either way, there is a difference. I use this every day. It's a home laser device. Does it work on wrinkles and fine lines? I haven't the foggiest. Does it work on pitted acne scars? Slightest bit. Mind you, I have undergone laser. I've undergone about 3 or 4 sessions, I think, before the allergic phase started earlier this year, so I had to put a halt to everything. So I don't know if this is the collagen rebuilt from those phases, those laser sessions. I don't know if it is all the tretinoin that I did use until the allergic phase struck. I don't know if it is all the vitamin C that I've been using. I don't know if it is this. Or maybe it is a combination of everything. Either way, if it's helping me get rid of pitted acne scars, anything's welcome. I'll try anything, yeah? So, very, very nice and easy. You know, you don't have to faff about too much with it. No need of serums or conducting gels or anything. Just bare skin, off you go. That's it. And you can control the heat settings on it. So I like the strongest setting for my pitted acne scars. For my forehead acne scars, I have pitted acne scars here as well. I prefer setting 3 or, you know, something around the middle, because that's, the skin is thinner though. So review of this coming soon. Last product, I saw this on Kaushal Beauty's channel, love her, and decided to buy it. What is it? Metal straw. Reusable. There's a cleaner that comes with it, so you can clean inside. Folds away nicely, just so much to chuck into your handbag. Wonderful. No more worrying about plastic straws. Fabulous. Folds away like this, and you chuck it into this box, and then you close the box, and that's it. Wonderful invention. Saw this on Kaushal Beauty's channel and decided to buy. So those are my absolute favorite beauty tools, gadgets. All right, the straw isn't actually a beauty tool. It's just a life tool. Bonus. You know, I was intending to do only 6 gadgets or tools, but you know, I had to tell you about it for those who aren't following Kaushal. So those are my favorite tools and or gadgets. You were expecting makeup brushes, weren't you? Weren't you? Admit it. No, I haven't discovered any wow makeup brushes this year actually. So those are my favorite tools and or gadgets for 2019. What are yours? Please do tell me in the comments below. I would love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.